Beautiful day 소란스런 사람들 지나 내 맘이 멈춰서는 춤 모든 게 반짝이는 것 같아.
We are here, guys, a fashion district, and then we're going to touch up over there. Go, go, go!
Beautiful day 소란스런 사람들 지나 내 맘이 멈춰서는 춤 모든 게 반짝이는 것 같아. Beautiful night 머리맡에서 맴도.
Hi guys! Well, I'm here today to unbox. Tanan! If you can see it. It comes with this box. With this bag pala. Tanan! And this is the box, guys. I don't have the leather, what do you call this? Leather belt on it. And I will show you what's inside. So, ayan siya, guys. Hindi ko napapakita yung face ko kasi ano yan, laki nung box. Hindi ko siya mahawakan. Yan, with the stickers. Yan, mga people. So, open na natin ang aking gift. Tuwan-tuwa ng lola nyo. Open. Tada! Yan siya. Maliit. Yung GM naman, for me, it's masyadong malaki. Siguro, yung GM, it's good for travel. Actually, it's good for travel, pero you can put everything on it. So, ito naman, it's like my everyday bag lang siya. Good for everyday bag. So, as, yung mga Louis Vuitton na ganito, yung may tags na patina. So,
Beautiful night 머리맡에서 맴도는 춤 어지러워.
It comes with this push it. Okay, let's pronounce it in English, in French. Push it, whatever. Yung pronunciation niya, push it. So, ayun na. So, tapos you can remove this one and pwede siyang wristlet. So, kaya yung mga bagong Neverfull, it's a bit pricey than the old one kasi na meron siyang ganito. So, you can use it as like that. And, see, it looks like this inside. And may
Beautiful day 소란스런 사람들 지 너와 춤추는 맘에 언제 잠들었는지도 몰라. 고집스럽게 너만 찾게 돼.